Well, good morning to you all, and what a glorious day it is. I think it's probably the first time for a long time it hasn't bloody rained in the UK. So yeah, absolutely stoked. What an absolutely fantastic day. Right, we're out with the breakfast crew this morning. Good old breakfast crew, and we're going somewhere on Salisbury Plain. Hopefully we're going to have a really good day. Oh, Barry's here. He's a new member of the group on his Beamer. Right, Barry. Right, who's going to be our leader today then? Colin, no doubt. Oh, hang on, you can't start it. No, Lord David. Lord David's taking the lead. Colin's bike won't start. Oh, it's just started. I'm just going to tail end Charlie it like I normally do. We're off out to the cafe in... Look at that bike, that is amazing. Everything on it is race spec. It's all carbon fibre bodywork. Apparently it's got, titanium conrods, forged pistons. I've never seen a BMW like it. Didn't even know it existed. I think they built about 1,000 of those things for endurance racing. So they had to build a road bike to qualify. But I've never seen such a lovely set of rear sets on a bike before. I think that beats Ducati into a cock hat. Right then, you can have a look at this bike. This BMW, I've never seen one like it before, to be quite honest. So, like I was saying, they had to make so many of these because they went production racing. So it's high tech, it's all carbon fibre. We'll have a look anyway. Let's have a look. There you go. Titanium pipes, carbon fibre rocker covers, all carbon fibre bodywork on it. Olin suspension, it's all top notch. Got the a race dash on it, and the actual all the top race is billet. I mean, look at it, it's absolutely gorgeous. I've not seen anything like it. And if you look at the footrests, the rear sets, they're all billet, and they got conical adjusters. Everything's adjustable on it. Now, the owner tells me It's got titanium conrods and forged pistons in it. So I've never talk about high spec. Look at that, that is a work of art. Absolutely no expense spared. And I think what they've done, I think they lighten the flywheel on it as well, because it spins up to about 10,000 revs, so the owner's telling me. So it's got a light, obviously the conrods don't weigh anything, so it's got a lightened flywheel, you name it. So there it is, absolutely stunning piece of machinery. I'd buy it tomorrow if I got offered it. Absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, that's the Beamer. Let's go and have a look at this cafe. This is where we come. This is in Avebury, and it's called the Unhinged Cafe. Get a lot of motorcyclists up here. There you go. Unhinged, tea and coffee. Just have a little crafty in. There's the gang. We have to go in the other room. Well, we don't have to go in the other room, but this is the actual cafe, and it's absolutely beautiful in here. Just walk around. There's the tables, and you can look out onto the cricket pavilion, which is lovely. There's a gentleman in the corner, so I'm not going to film him because he's having his lunch.
Do I say it? Yes. I keep it here.
So this is the Unhinged Cafe. Very good cafe it is too. And here's the gang. Hi gang. Hello. Oh look. Now this is the sort of brekkie you get. Look at this. That's scrambled egg with a bit of bacon on it. Look at that. How lovely is that?
It's good, and I'll tell you one thing as well, Lord Vicky.
Yes.
And that this place here, the cafe at Avebury, we base our standards of scrambled eggs on toast wherever we go on this place because it is #1. Right. And I actually asked the chef if I could have my bacon a little extra well done. She said not a problem. So everybody, Avebury Cricket Club Cafe, #1 for breakfast. Outstanding.
There you go. You've had it from Lord David himself. Recommendation. Anyway, I'm going to go have some breakfast. Oh, there he is. Look, there's me old mate.
He's as good as a brother to me.
And he's like a brother to me as well. Right then, here's the crew. Yeah, we're going to Imber, so it's a little village on Salisbury Plain, within the obviously the military area. It was commandeered by the military a number of years back now, a long time ago. Everybody was asked to leave, and they now use it as a training area for, I suppose, urban warfare, urban combat, I don't know, but that's what it's used for. But there's the church there, and obviously there's people buried in that churchyard, so on a few days a year they open it up, open the village up to the general public. So I guess people that I've got relatives buried in the churchyard. Could go back and you know, put some flowers on the graves, or and I think at Christmas as well. There's a service held in the church at Christmas. So of course we're on Easter now. We're on Easter, so there you go. That might have some bearing on my it's being opened. Church and the village is being opened for Easter. Right, well, it does look like this is the way to Imber. Ah, we've missed the turning, so I'm going to go. Whoop, I think we're going backwards. Right, see if somebody can fall off. Hopefully not, eh? Hopefully it won't be me. Off we go. Yeah, I reckon perhaps down here. That's where everybody seems to be heading. Most of the cyclists. I think Imber's going to be absolutely jam-packed today. Yep, everybody's going to Imber. Here we go. Imber village open. Never seen so many people. Still, I suppose if it only opens couple of times a year or whatever, you're going to get lots and lots of people descend on it. We got all those cyclists in front of us again now. Right, let's have a look, see what's going on. Well, here's obviously a checkpoint where they normally tell you to go away, unless you're in the forces, obviously. What's that over there then? Is that a barrow? Yeah, it's a long barrow. There you go, folks, this is what our army's got to play with. We're gonna run around here all day. It's huge, isn't it, Salisbury Plain? It's a big old place. Wow, it's them trails, that's what I'm interested in. Look at that one going up the side of that. Hey, muddy or what? I ain't got the right tyres for this, so I wouldn't be going anywhere. Yeah, no public access. Right, let's... Here we go, now we've got all the cars parked everywhere. We've got a traffic jam. There's a nice little brook over there. Oh, you can go through that. Too many people. Just come to the conclusion. Look at that. Right, I've got to get some tyres for this. But then it'd be a shame to take these off. They're only sort of like half worn, so might as well wear these out first tonight before I invest in a set of knobblies. Right, what we got here? Well, I suppose I'm stupid to have thought that it was going to be empty. Well, here we are. Look, there's Wiltshire Man.
Hello, Dickie.
We got here. We're minus Lord David. We don't know where he's gone.
No.
I kept looking at Wiltshire Man. I kept looking at all them trails,
Yeah, I saw them as well.
and I thought, oh, if only I had some blooming decent tyres.
Yeah, I need decent tyres on my Himalayan.
But they were a bit muddy. But I just wanted to go up them trails, and there was some little tanks on the right-hand side, weren't there?
You're getting the itch for the trails now, aren't you?
The itch for the trails. We've
Yeah.
got to go and do some trail
I
riding,
reckon
Wiltshire
so.
Man.
I reckon so, yeah.
Yeah. You can watch me fall off again, can't you, Wiltshire Man?
Well, if you're going to come a cropper, Dickie,
Yeah,
it's green laning and trails where it's going to happen.
it is. I agree with that. Or if
Yeah.
you're going to drop your bike in a massive big puddle so it almost submerges,
Green lanes and
green lanes and all the
yeah, it
ridgeway.
is, definitely.
Yeah. But anyway, we're here. Colin's happy, Barry's happy, they're all happy, we're all happy, Wiltshire Man's happy.
Happy.
They were fighting over the car parking a bit earlier on, some people, but
Yeah, they're probably
I'm hoping
happy.
they're happy as well now. Happy, happy.
They're all sort of fairly modern buildings.
What do you
aren't
reckon
they?
then, Cole? What do you think of it all?
Well, there's not much left of the original village with the old buildings, is there? I mean, these are obviously purpose-built
Yeah.
for
Exactly,
military
yeah.
training, house clearance training, I think they call it, isn't it?
Is that, yeah, urban warfare
Urban
and stuff
warfare,
like that.
yeah.
Hang on, let's go. Now, here's the church, Imber Church. People having picnics in the graveyard. Right, well, I'm not allowed to go past there in case I explode, no doubt. This has been cordoned off for the officials, the car park for the officials. But yeah. Here's your church. There's the old yew tree there. The obligatory yew tree. They say I'm going to go on a yew fest this summer. Just going to have a look in Imber Church itself. Wow. What's the actual people like? Oh, they've got a little cafe. There's the gang over there, getting a cup of tea.
Yeah, I follow it.
There's the bells.
Single guy probably.
Yeah, got all the time in the world.
Some beautiful flowers up on the altar as well.
But it's not an investment. That BMW is not. I don't think it's much of an investment. Because I've seen some that were more expensive, but I've seen some that were cheaper but higher mileage. There's not many of them around. Beautifully engineered.
Well, there you go. That was a church. Very enjoyable. Had a cup of coffee in the church, and yeah. 1942 apparently this was cleared, commandeered. Oh, got Will Enfield. Danger, unexploded military debris. Do not leave the carriageway. Fair enough. I think that's the pub. what used to be the pub. They demolished the Baptist church just over there. They left the pub. It's totally knackered. Shocking. Absolutely shocking what they've done to the pub. Well, I can't say that this place has impressed me at all. It's sad really, it's a dead village. Like I say, people were told to clear out in 1942. We're just left with a dead village. Something that once had a heart is now a training ground. It's a shame. I think in light of what's going on around the world at the moment, Ukraine, what's happening out in Palestine, various conflicts, makes you wonder what we're heading for, another worldwide conflict. But I think people, we've got short memories, but yeah, it does make you wonder where things are going. Let's keep our fingers crossed, eh? Right, I think we're ready to rock and roll. We're just about to leave Imber. Been a fair few bikes here today, but then the weather's been really nice. So I think we're actually going to head back to Avery Way, get back in that cafe, finish off with a cup of coffee and a cake, and job done. Right, goodbye Imber. Goodbye people. Lots of people. There's a lot of barrows and ancient sites on Salisbury Plain that you can't really get access to. And I know there's been a few barrows that are basically been drilled into the ground, squashed into the ground by armoured vehicles and things. A fair bit of it's been lost. But then I suppose on the flip side of the coin you could say, because this is out of bounds to most people, there's probably a fair bit of it that hasn't been touched either, so... You could stand up on this bike for a long time. I wouldn't say all day, but it's totally comfortable. The bars are just in the right place. The arms are slightly bent, not too much. But yeah, standing up on the pegs, nice and comfy, this old Suzuki. Hey, what we got up here? We got a tank. Old knocked out tank there. Gradually rotting away with some bushes growing out of it. Right, I think we're actually, that's Warminster down there, so we're coming out of the military zone now. Ooh, armoured vehicles. Who we lost? Oh, we got Sandy. Who are we waiting for? That's it, I think, isn't it? I don't know, are we waiting for anybody? I don't think we are we? Yeah, we're ready. We're ready to rock and roll. Oh wow, look at this big old tank. We like that. Chieftain? Could well be. Don't know me tanks.